Hi friends, welcome back to my channel White Unicorn Creations. So today I am going to introduce a new application called Rizzle. So let me show the application first. When you type here Rizzle, you will be able to see Rizzle short videos. Once you click that, you will be able to see the page of that. And here, this is an application which allows you to make 60-second video for collabs and interactions. It is a short video application to express voices and opinions on a global platform. So let me show the application. Once you open it, you will be able to see the first video coming here. So you will be able to see different videos which are made by different others. And first, once you enter the application, you will have to sign in with Google or Facebook or any other media means, and I will show you my details. Look, once you click on edit profile here, you will be able to see name, username, bio. You can add that. If it's a website, you can add that as well. You can also link accounts like Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, Spotify, and also if you want, you can add email as well. So how this works? So I have posted some videos here like this, and you will be able to see different options like invite contacts. You can invite contact from your contacts. You can also join your Discord link, and different people where you can follow. And so how it works? So these are so some settings I will show you now. These are some settings which are available. You can there will be subscriptions, and when you subscribe some people, you will be able to see this. And there is also earnings. So with this application you can earn as well. There will be weekly contests will be there, as well as you can get a sponsorship from the people. So when you click here payout, you will be able to see minimum payout should be 350. So once you reach 350, you will be able to take the pay. And that's it with the settings. So let's see how to do this. So this, since I have told you already that it is a short video application to express voices and opinion. Okay, so it is not like TikTok and many other applications where you can dance for songs, dance for audios, like acting for dialogues which are already there. It's not like that actually. So it is like where you can speak from your heart. That is, share your opinion on things, share your opinion on different topics and other things. There is something called prompts which are being used, prompts that are useful. That is, if you are not getting any topic, you can use that prompts to make a video accordingly. So let me first show you some things. Like when you click on here in this button, you will be able to see different people. That is, these are collab sessions. Okay, you can make collabs with different people. When you click on X here, you will be able to see next people. Like that, you can make different collabs with these people. And I will close this. Now let me show you how to record this. I will go here first. Then you will be able to see record episode 1. This is one of my channels, so I can record this episode. I have created 2 or 3 channels here, so you can do that. So I will click here record episode 1, and you will be able to see this camera screen. And here you will be able to see here with this option we can turn the camera. Here you can see the flash. It is timer, grid lines, and also you will be able to see swipe up for prompts. Once you swipe up, you will be able to see different prompts. Like here we can save any prompts, and here live. If you are like this, you can talk about this. Like if your loved ones are currently in cyclone affected area, how you are dealing with it. So you can talk about it. And here Rizzle corner. Why do people sleep in the afternoon? You can talk about it like that. TVs, movies, and different options are there. So you can talk about it. So, and also one more thing, here you can see that add B plus roll. So once you click here, you will be able to see an option of talk about a picture as well as B-roll video. This B-roll video is an option where you can upload videos which are recorded in the phone. So this is only open when you are like after 10 videos only. This option will be open. I have not completed 10 videos, so once it is completed, it will be open. And I will show you one thing. Talk about, you will be able to see talk about a picture. I will click that one, and you will be able to select things from gallery. Let me just silence this, and you will be able to, you can select any of the pictures. So I will select one picture from here. You will be able to select. You can adjust the pic according to your requirement, and once you click on select, the picture will appear on the above of your camera. So here you can see the picture here on the top of this, and also you can speak about this picture, share your opinion about it, share your thoughts and different things about it. There is also some things that once you are uploading this, it will be going to different channels and different people will view it accordingly. So these are this will get popular and you will get a sponsorship, as I mentioned. So let me show you one sponsorship thing that you can, so that you can understand how it works. So I'll go to home page here, and you will be able to see a person. I'll show you one person. Okay, let me check this person. Hey. Now once you click here, you will be able to see his profile, contest of resale. Here you will be able to see become a silver sponsor, become a platinum sponsor, become a gold sponsor. If you are clicking here you can become a sponsor for this guy. Like there is an apply coupon option here, also 90 rupees per 3 months. So once you click here, you can submit, like you can give him 90 rupees per 3 months. You can sponsor anyone that you require. Also some people, once you complete 30 videos, you will be able to see different sponsors will be checking out of your video, checking your video, and they will sponsor you, so that you can earn money accordingly. Like that you can do like that you can earn money as well. Also there are different contests, as I mentioned earlier. There are different contests which are being conducted by Resell. You can check that out and you can participate in that, and you can win big. There was one contest which was around 15,000 cash prize in this application. Also you can join the Discord link, Discord server community. That is, it's a Discord is an application. I will put a video about that, since Discord is not that much popular in popular. So Discord is a nice link where you can share our thoughts and things. So I will do a Discord video as well. So you can join the Discord community as well to check on the details on this. They will be updating everything on Discord as well. I will show one of the Discord thing. If you click here, it is going into the Resell Discord link. Here you will be able to see different like mini contest things and mini contests. These are the they will update contest here, so you will be able to see different things about Resell. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I have put the link in the description below. You can check that out and download this and use this application. According to my opinion, this is one of the best applications that I have came across, like sharing opinions and things. So please check it out, and you can share your comments, and if you like this video, please click on like and share your comments about this video on the comment section. Thank you. Have a nice day. See you on next video.